Welcome to Essential Apothecary with Penelope Pinehurst. I'm Penelope, and we'll be talking about essential oils on this channel. Each video will give you valuable information on a specific essential oil. We'll talk about pros and cons along with different uses for each oil. If you're someone who likes to make your own products for household use, or perhaps you make your own bath products, this channel will definitely be of use for you. As an added bonus, while you watch each video on the various oils, I'll be giving recipes that you can use at home. If you think you will benefit from the information given here, and if you want to keep receiving recipes, hit the like and subscribe to be sure not to miss out. Also, if you would like information on a specific essential oil, or if you have uses not discussed here, please feel free to comment below so other viewers may benefit from your wisdom. And now for the disclaimer, I am not a doctor, so please do your best research and use caution when using essential oils. They are very potent, and some can have undesirable effects if not used properly. With that said, let's jump in. In today's video, we will be discussing the many uses of Allspice Essential Oil. Allspice, also known as pimento berry essential oil, is native to Jamaica, and is derived from the dried, unripened fruit of the Pimenta dioica plant. The berries of this plant are used for the oil. Its high content of eugenol contributes to the similarity it has with clove and cinnamon essential oils. Its color is cocoa brown. Allspice essential oil has a shelf life of 2 to 3 years. After this time, the oil will start to lose its effectiveness. To maintain its quality, you'll want to store allspice essential oil in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight. Remember, you can minimize exposure to oxygen by keeping the cap tightly closed and avoid storing it near heat. There are many therapeutic properties for this amazing essential oil. Allspice is an antiviral, antispasmodic, calmative, antibacterial, analgesic, and a muscle relaxant. Now then, let's talk about some uses for allspice essential oil. As for arthritis and muscular aches, this oil may help with arthritis, muscle tone, stiffness, and rheumatism. It can be used for digestive support. Allspice helps with indigestion, nausea, and gastric cramps. It has even been known to aid with chills, coughs, and bronchitis. Allspice can be used for emotional well-being. Let's face it, we all need help with that from time to time. The essential oil is believed to help with depression, nervous tension, and exhaustion. Due to the oil's high eugenol content, a wonderful benefit of allspice is that it may act as an antiviral oil. With its soothing aroma and therapeutic benefits, allspice essential oil is perfect for aromatherapy as well. In small dilutions, it is actually considered an aphrodisiac. Put this oil in a diffuser for warm, rich scents that work well during the fall and winter seasons. Allspice also complements masculine blends. Do be careful to not overdo it with this oil. Full strength can be potent and irritate the mucous membrane. The initial aroma is strong, and the consistency is thin. This oil is at its best when blended with carrier oils and other essential oils before diffusing. We will go over this a bit more in just a minute. Before we go over a couple of recipes, I do want to go over some safety considerations for you. First, let me stress, never take essential oils internally and do not apply undiluted essential oils to your skin. Essential oils are highly concentrated and can irritate or damage the digestive system. Large amounts may be toxic, affecting the liver and kidneys. Not all essential oils are safe to ingest, so it's important to use only those recognized as safe by the FDA and follow proper dosage guidelines. Always consult a healthcare professional before taking essential oils internally. When applied directly to the skin, allspice essential oil can cause allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. Always dilute it well before topical use to avoid skin irritation. As discussed earlier, at full strength, allspice oil can be a potent mucous membrane irritant. It's always best to dilute it with other carrier and essential oils. Before using this or any essential oil, carefully research any safety information available, especially if you are pregnant or have any medical conditions. Also, it is recommended that you consult a qualified aromatherapy practitioner before using oils with children, the elderly, or if you do have medical conditions. Allspice Essential Oil is not safe for dogs. It contains eugenol, which can be toxic to your little furry friends. They may experience symptoms like vomiting, diarrhea, and lethargy after consuming allspice. When mixing your allspice to create recipes, or for aromatherapy, here are some carrier oils that work well with allspice: jojoba oil, olive oil, sweet almond oil and coconut oil. Whichever dilution method you choose, the essential oil content should only account for 0.5% to 2% of the total blend. This equates to 3 to 12 drops per ounce of finished product. A good rule of thumb would be 1 to 3 drops of allspice essential oil with a teaspoon of your chosen carrier oil. I'll put a link below for a book on carrier oils and their benefits so you can determine which works best for you. This book is great for beginners and allows plenty of room for you to write your own recipes so you can keep referring to it. As we have learned, allspice essential oil is a very versatile oil. Now, let's go over a couple of recipes that you can use your allspice essential oil to make. When making your own creations for household use, or for remedies, I like to use organic ingredients. They can be more expensive, so if you need to use ingredients that are not organic, they will also do the trick. As for brand names, I use many different brands and am not partial to only one or two. I like to research my ingredients and then go from there. I encourage you to do the same. Not all brands are equal. When it comes to taking care of yourself and your family, you'll want to get the best ingredients for your needs. With that being said, let's get started. This first recipe is used to help muscle aches and arthritis. Let's start with the ingredients. 5 drops of allspice essential oil, 5 drops of eucalyptus essential oil, 5 drops of peppermint essential oil, 2 drops of black pepper essential oil, 6 drops of lavender essential oil, and 2 ounces of either sweet almond oil, or 2 ounces of unscented lotion. If using the unscented lotion, you will need an airtight container. If using the sweet almond oil, you can use a roll-on container. All you need to do is blend everything together until it is completely mixed. Put the finished recipe in your chosen container, and massage the blend into the areas affected by the arthritis or muscle aches. With this recipe and the next one, feel free to adjust the ingredients as you need for your own use. Just be sure to research the ingredients beforehand. This next recipe is to help with stomach discomfort. It is not to be ingested, but instead, will be applied topically. The ingredients needed will be 1 drop of cinnamon essential oil, 1 drop of allspice essential oil, 2 drops of chamomile essential oil, and you can use either castor oil or jojoba oil as your carrier oil. You will also need a 10 ml roller bottle. Simply add all of the essential oils to the roller bottle and fill the rest of the bottle with your chosen carrier oil. Shake well, and roll onto your belly in a clockwise manner. Both recipes can be stored in a cool, dark place for future use. Be sure to check the expiration dates of your ingredients and label your bottles with the earliest expiration date to ensure the product remains effective. I hope you've enjoyed today's information on allspice essential oil. For more valuable insights on other essential oils and homemade recipes, please like and subscribe. Feel free to share any additional uses you have for this amazing oil in the comments below. Be sure to look for my other educational videos on Essential Apothecary with Penelope Pinehurst. Until then, have fun with creating brilliant remedies and household products.